where is WBA going next, and I'm going to cover everything regarding technical analysis, price predictions, forecast outlooks, all below 2 minutes time, okay, on Walgreens Boots Alliance. So to do all of this, I'm going to use a strategy, basically my strategy that has in the last 7 months gotten me 300 plus wins. And the very most important thing that a lot of people actually just skip upon is the overall trend direction that we're actually heading with WBA and every other stock that they're analyzing, right? They're just following blind Reddit, like what YouTube videos like these, they don't actually have an understanding how this thing is moving, right? Let me show you my 2 cents because I've done 12,000 videos like this and I'm sharing everything that has actually working for me. So with that in mind, first, and this is a very big kind of compliment on WBA, that this thing is has been going bullish ever since 1974, right? It's crazy amount. Basically, for the last 47 years, right? The price just my mind is not here to actually do maths right now, but around like 45 plus years, price action has been delivering bullish. Here I was a little bit bearish. The price diminished a little bearish. Now we're in a demand area. If I start to see the desired um, price action shift from here, I'm definitely bullish, right? This is the idea, okay? My opinion on WBA and what I'm expecting the price to do, only if it actually gives me the confirmations. And we're definitely going to wait because this is a very big prediction. It's a very big time frame. So it's very interesting to see what the price is going to do. So right now we're just letting it move and whatever. And we basically said in the previous video, if it starts to break above this high, then we're going to make a prediction. If you want to learn my strategy for absolutely free, check out the first link in the description.